Welcome to ClickMyProject. Our project title is BeTL, MapReduce checkpoint tactics beneath the task level. Our modified abstract is the big data analysis are gaining the significant popularity within the last few years. The MapReduce framework represents by Google make it easy to find write application that process a vast amount of data. The MapReduce target at large commodity clusters where the failures are not exceptions. However, the Hadoop, the most popular implementation of MapReduce, performed poorly under the failure. The Hadoop implements a fault tolerance strategies at the task level. As a result, the task failure will require a re-execution of the whole task, regardless of how much of inputs has already been processed. In this paper, we present a BeTL which introduces slight changes to the execution flow of MapReduce and make it possible to gain a finer-grained fault tolerance. The map task can creating a checkpoint so that it retains the task does not to be started from the scratch, and it save a lot of time. It executes the particular task which does not executed. It re-execute that particular attempt only. BeTL which introduces slight changes to execution flow of MapReduce and make it possible to gain a fine-grained fault tolerance. In our data flow diagram, first of all, the user register and login their information, and after that the user choosing the file to be uploaded, and after that this file is stored in DFS location and process those files, and we split the files into packets, and it's executed separated inside the Hadoop. After that it are deducting through the checkpoint what are the fault occurring here, and they execute their particular file alone, and we finally merge and send this information to the user. Through this we achieve the concept in our process. Let's start our demo. Our project title is BeTL, MapReduce checkpoint tactics beneath the task level. Okay, in our process we are going to form a checkpoint to predicting the unexecuted files. Click that image here, click that network group. Here we having a 3 types of group: network 1, network 2, network 3. Here just click any one network, click next. After that you getting the number of nodes in that network. After that you getting the node and their IP address, and their password is okay. Now it's login successfully. After that, from the source node, here we choosing node 1. Through the node 1 our file going to be transferred. Click the packet selection, choosing any one file. After that we splitting the files because we converting our file into packets. Okay, then our files are split out. After that we generating the hash code for verification. Receiver node, enter the receiver node. Our source node is node 1, receiver node is node 5, and the intermediate node is 3. After that in the inode, click the inode1.java, run file. Okay, here click start, here connect. After that you getting their files. Now the files are sent to the intermediate node. Click refresh and send the file. It takes some moment of time to transfer the file. Now the file is transferred to the intermediate node. Okay, after that click monitoring.java. receive, connect. Now connection established. After that, here the incoming packets are received. Okay. If any files, here each file is executed separately and transfer the files to the another node. If any files are not executed, it predicts those unexecutable file through the checkpoint. After that, it executes that particular file alone, and finally transfer the files to the end node. Okay, now the data is transferred to processor node. Collect the information, which node network, which node from which IP address, and their name, intermediate node and their destination node. Okay. After that, the BS verified, the packet is received and the data does not lose, the data transmissions are enabled. After that, in destination, click connect. Now click send button. Now the informations are received in the destination. Here through which network and their node, sender node, destination node, and the packet names are received to the destination node. Likewise, we transfer our files while processing those files. We predicting any error or any process are does not executed. We predict those datas and we re-executing this particular file only through our checkpoint process. Thank you.